this is Mimi Mom from MIMICOOK. Today, we will make 짜글이김치 kimchi stew using stew seasoning sauce. Here are the ingredients for 짜글이김치 kimchi stew. 200 grams of kimchi, 100 grams of pork, 30 grams of carrots, 30 grams of green onions, 50 grams of onions, 150 grams of tofu, 60 grams of stew seasoning sauce, and 600 milligrams of water. Now, let's start cooking. First, place the pot and turn on the fire. I will pour 600 milligrams of water here. Pour 600 milligrams of water and add 60 grams of stew seasoning sauce. If you dissolve the seasoning like this while heating the water, it will dissolve quickly. It is appropriate to use the stew seasoning sauce at a ratio of about 1:10 with water. I dissolve 60 grams of stew seasoning sauce in 600 milligrams of water. When the soup boils, I will add 100 grams of pork meat. You can cook the meat first by adding it to the boiling broth. Cook the meat first, and when the meat is cooked, add 200 grams of kimchi. I will add kimchi and boil it for a little bit. Yes, it's starting to boil now. You can now add the tofu and the vegetables. I'll add the tofu first. Add 150 grams of tofu. Then add the 30 grams of carrots. You can add more vegetables to suit your taste. I will add the green onions later. Add the vegetables like this and simmer this. Reduce the heat from high to medium heat and wait until it boils again. The spicy kimchi stew is almost cooked. As a finishing touch, I will add green onions. Now, the 짜글이김치 kimchi is done using our stew seasoning sauce. You can make a hearty meal using the sauce simply and easily. I hope you all give it a try too. Thank you!